To eject the SIM tray on OPPO Find X9 Pro, first of all we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray. It is located over here in this place. We also have this SIM tray hole as well, and we need to use the eject tool that we can find inside the box. So once you find it, you can put the ejector into this little hole where we have our SIM tray. There we go, and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out, slightly at least. And once that happens, you can use your fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. This is how the SIM tray looks like. This is of course the European version, so there might be some differences in some other countries. So we have 2 SIM card slots in this case, and if you want to insert a SIM card, we just have to match the shape of the SIM card slot, but it is fairly easy to do so, of course. There we go, we have SIM number 1, and then on the back we can insert the other SIM card. Let's see. There we go. Make sure that these SIM cards are fully in, that they do not stick out or anything like that. And afterwards, we just need to put the SIM tray back into the phone. Just push it in with your finger and make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything like that. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.